Have you ever wondered what it takes to become one of the richest people in the world? What if you could uncover the secrets of a self-made billionaire? Today, we're diving into the timeless wisdom of Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, who has amassed a fortune of $114 billion. But this isn't just about money. It's about how you can apply Buffett's life hacks to elevate your own life. Stick around to learn how you can turn Buffett's insights into actionable steps toward your own success. Number 1. Believe in your rich future. Do you believe you'll be rich one day? Warren Buffett always did. He once said, "I always knew I was going to be rich. I don't think I ever doubted it for a minute." To get there, set high expectations for yourself and work tirelessly towards them. Make a commitment to financial independence, share your vision with those around you, and create a clear plan. Know when to take risks and when to be conservative. Your mindset is your most valuable asset. Number 2. Start saving early. Buffett's journey to wealth began at a young age. By 15, he had earned $2,000 delivering papers and selling magazine subscriptions, and used $1,200 to invest in a farm. The takeaway? Start saving early to build the habit. Whether you're aiming to invest in a business or save for a major purchase, the earlier you start, the better. Number 3. Reinvest your profits. When Buffett was in high school, he bought a pinball machine with a friend and placed it in a barbershop. They reinvested their earnings into more machines and eventually sold the business for a profit. The lesson here is to reinvest your profits to grow your wealth. Enjoy your earnings, but don't splurge them all at once. Number 4. Graduate early to save money. Buffett finished college in 3 years, saving time and money. With today's college costs, graduating early can save you thousands in tuition and student loan interest. Consider taking summer courses or advanced placement classes in high school to shorten your college duration and reduce expenses. Number 5. Bounce back from rejection. Buffett faced rejection from Harvard Business School, but he didn't let it stop him. He went on to attend Columbia, where he met his mentor Benjamin Graham. The lesson? Don't let rejection deter you. Keep pushing forward, and you might find even better opportunities waiting for you. Number 6. Communicate in person. In 1951, Buffett took a train to Geico's headquarters to investigate the company. Despite the office being closed, a janitor let him in, and he ended up meeting a top executive. This face-to-face meeting led to one of his earliest and most successful investments. Don't underestimate the power of personal interaction. Sometimes, emails and calls just don't cut it. Number 7. Be persistent. When Buffett graduated, he wanted to work for his mentor, Graham, who initially said no. Buffett didn't give up and kept pitching ideas until Graham hired him. Persistence pays off. If you face rejection, keep trying. The right opportunity will come if you remain dedicated. Number 8. Master public speaking. Public speaking terrified Buffett, but he overcame his fear by taking a Dale Carnegie course. This skill became crucial in his career. Good public speaking skills can open many doors. Don't let fear hold you back. Invest in courses or practice in front of a mirror to build your confidence. Number 9. Maintain good savings habits. Buffett's disciplined savings and avoidance of debt helped him grow his savings significantly. By managing your cash flow wisely and minimizing debt, you can save more and invest in opportunities that come your way. Number 10. Find a business partner. Buffett's partnership with Charlie Munger is legendary. Munger expanded Buffett's horizons, leading to major acquisitions. Find a trusted partner who challenges you and complements your skills. Together, you can achieve more than you would alone. If you're enjoying these tips from Warren Buffett, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more life-changing advice. Now, let's continue with more invaluable lessons from Buffett. Number 11. Be true to yourself. Buffett works in a modest building despite his immense wealth. He stays true to who he is, humble and frugal. Authenticity is key. Don't try to be someone you're not. People appreciate and trust genuine individuals. Number 12. Frugal living. Buffett's frugality has been a cornerstone of his success. Living modestly gives you the freedom to pursue your goals. Remember, a higher standard of living doesn't necessarily equate to a better quality of life. Number 13. Invest in yourself. Buffett believes in paying yourself first and investing in your own growth. Whether it's through education, health, or personal development. Investing in yourself is the best way to achieve long-term success. Number 14. Stick to your guns. Buffett is known for not paying dividends from Berkshire Hathaway, despite pressure from investors. He stays true to his strategy because it aligns with his long-term vision. Be steadfast in your principles and strategies, even if they're unpopular. Number 15. Be a contrarian investor. Buffett buys when others are selling and sells when others are buying. This contrarian approach has served him well. Apply this to your life by not following the crowd blindly. Make informed decisions based on your research and understanding. Number 16. Don't invest emotionally. Buffett advises against making investment decisions based on emotions. In business and life, stay calm and make decisions based on facts, not feelings. Emotional decisions often lead to mistakes. Number 17. Make tough calls. Buffett closed down Berkshire Hathaway's textile mills when they became unprofitable. Sometimes, you have to make tough decisions for long-term gain. Whether it's cutting losses in a business or making sacrifices in personal spending, hard choices are often necessary. Number 18. Invest in what you know. Buffett's investment in Coca-Cola is a classic example. He invests in businesses he understands and believes in. Follow your passions and invest your time and resources in areas you know well. Number 19. Be honest. Buffett's transparency builds trust. He admits to his mistakes and learns from them. Honesty is crucial in building strong relationships and a good reputation. Being truthful, even when it's tough, will earn you respect and trust. Number 20. Give back. Buffett has pledged to give away a significant portion of his wealth. He believes in using his fortune to help others. Regardless of your financial status, find ways to give back. Helping others can be immensely rewarding and fulfilling. Number 21. Limit your activities. Buffett focuses on a few key areas and dedicates his time to mastering them. Spread yourself too thin, and you'll achieve mediocrity. Focus on what you're passionate about and invest your time and energy into mastering it. By incorporating these 21 life hacks from Warren Buffett, you can significantly improve your financial health and overall life satisfaction. Remember, it's not just about the money. It's about building habits and making decisions that lead to a richer, more fulfilling life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.